In order to get Xray Mobile, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. If you're on an Android device, please open up Google. Then afterwards, you want to look for this website called mcpecentral.com. Then you want to press on search just like so. This is a free Minecraft website where you're able to find texture packs and stuff like that, and is where you're able to get Xray safely. Once you're on this website, go to the top left and select on these three bars, then scroll down until you see texture packs. So it should be right over here, and then you want to scroll down until you see the Xray pack. You guys could also use the search bar, but yep, we were able to find it within a couple seconds how to get Xray. So then you want to press on it, then it is going to give you a bunch of images showing you more information, and you just want to scroll all the way down. All right, once you're on this page, just scroll down just a little bit, and then you're able to find a MCP link. Then you just want to go ahead and press on it. Then you just want to scroll down even more, and it's going to give you more information. Press over here. Then you want to wait for this to load in. Make sure to select on I'm Not a Robot. Then select on Get Downloads. Then make sure to install the latest version right over here. Then it's going to say File Downloaded. Now, after that, what I want you to do is I want you to open up the Google Play Store. And the reason why we're going to be opening up the Google Play Store is because we're going to be installing a particular app that will easily allow us to apply this Xray texture pack. Now, you could do it with the built-in default like file app on Android. However, I recommend that you install this one because it will make the process significantly easier. But anyways, just press on search, then look up File Manager right over here. Then scroll down and you want to download this app in particular. So there are many apps called File Manager, so that's why it might be a little tricky to find it, but you want to select on this one in particular. It is going to say File Manager Plus, and then make sure to go ahead and install it. It is completely free. Once you installed it, press on Open. Then afterwards, go over here to where it says Downloads, and then scroll down until you see the Xray texture pack, which for us, it is right over here. However, if you aren't able to find it, you could always use the search bar at the top, then look for the Xray pack. Okay, so here it is. Then you want to long press on it, go to the bottom menu, select on these three dots that says More, select on Open With. Then you want to scroll down until you see Minecraft. So here it is. Then you want to press on Just Once or Always. So let's just go ahead and press on Just Once. Then it is going to open up Minecraft on your mobile device. All right, there you go. It is now going to say Import Started. Then once it is finished importing, go ahead and select on Settings, go to the left menu, scroll down until you see Global Resources, select on My Packs. You should be able to find it. Press on it, then select on Activate. Then go over here and double check that it is underneath active. Then close out of your settings and load into any Minecraft world. All right, guys, so here we are in our Minecraft world. And if we dig down, as you're able to tell, you're able to see all the ores and stuff like that. But to get the best results, make sure to actually open up your settings one more time. And we need to adjust our video settings a little bit. So go over here to where it says videos. Then what you want to do is you actually want to exit out of your game and you want to turn off smooth lighting. So whenever you do that, it is actually going to make the Xray way more like efficient and way more easier to use. So let's just select on simple, then select on simple graphics mode. Then where it says smooth lighting, go ahead and turn that off. Then return back to your Minecraft world. All right, then what I also recommend that you guys do is get a potion of night vision when using this texture pack. And then as you're able to tell, you're now able to see things significantly easier. You can basically see every single ore from here, every single structure. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and get the best results possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.